students, this is mathematics class for 7 and today we are doing exercise 1.1 question number 8. Verify A minus within bracket minus B equals to A plus B for the following value of A and B. Here value of A and B given to you. A equals to 21 and B equals to 18. In second, A equals to 118 and B equals to 125. In third one, A equals to 75 and B equals to 84. And in fourth, A equals to 28 and B equals to 11. Okay. Before starting this question, I just want to tell one thing. So you have to focus on that. Plus into plus. When you multiply plus to plus, you will get sign of plus. Okay. When you multiply minus multiply with minus, then also you will get plus. Okay. When you multiply minus into plus, then you will get minus, or plus into minus, then also you will get minus. Plus into plus, plus, minus into minus, then also plus, minus into plus, minus, plus into minus, minus. It means when you multiply same sign को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आपको प्लस मिलेगा, प्लस और प्लस को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो प्लस मिलेगा, माइनस और माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो भी आपको प्लस ही मिलेगा. When you multiply opposite sign plus and minus, then you will get minus. Plus into minus, minus, and minus into plus, that also minus. So let's start this one. You have to remember that one. Okay. Whenever you will multiply same sign, you will get plus. And when you multiply different sign, then you get minus. प्लस प्लस को मल्टीप्लाई करें तो प्लस मिलेगा, एंड माइनस और माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई करें तब भी आपको प्लस ही मिलेगा. ओके, लेट्स स्टार्ट फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फर्स्ट वन इज A equals to 21 and B equals to 18. Okay, we have to verify this one. So A minus within bracket minus B equals to A plus B. Okay students, this is an equation, here equal sign, so this is an equation. This is your right hand, so this one called right hand side. This one your left hand, so this one called left hand side. जो आपके दाहिने हाथ की राइट हैंड की साइड होगा उसको राइट हैंड साइड, एंड जो लेफ्ट हैंड की साइड होगा दिस वन लेफ्ट हैंड साइड. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस क्वेश्चन. ओके, फर्स्ट वी विल टेक वन साइड ओनली. आई एम टेकिंग लेफ्ट हैंड साइड, लेफ्ट hand side. So what in your left hand side? This one written in left hand side. So we will write this one A minus B. Okay, now we will put value of A and B. Putting A equals to 21 and B equals to 18. Okay, in left hand side we are putting A equals to 21 and B equals to 18. So A is 21. A equals to 21 है तो A की जगह 21 लिख देंगे. Minus sign as it. Within bracket minus. Already minus here तो minus, and B is 18. B का value 18 है. Okay. 21 we will write as it. 21 को ऐसे लिखना है. Minus bracket minus. You know bracket means multiply. So minus into minus. जब माइनस को माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो यू विल गेट प्लस. माइनस, ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई, इंटू माइनस, तो ये हो जाएगा प्लस, एंड दिस वन 18. Okay. Now we will add both 21 plus 18. Here plus, here also plus, so we will add both. 8 plus 1, 9, and 2 plus 1, 3. So it will be 39. Okay. Now we will take, this is your left hand side, now we will take right hand side. Same way we will write here. This is your right hand side, A plus B. This is your right hand side. Here also we are putting A equals to 21. Putting A equals to 21 and B equal to 18. Okay. So A is 21 plus B is 18. When you add both, what you will get? 18. This one positive, this one also positive, and 21. Plus करेंगे, 8 plus 1 9 and 2 plus 1 3. This one also coming 39. So you are looking left hand side and right hand side both coming equal. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Okay. So this one verified. How you done first question, first part? Same way we will do other parts also. Okay, now come in second part. Second question is A equals to 118 and B equals to 125. Okay, given equation is A minus B equals to A plus B. So first we will take left hand side. This is your right hand, so this one called right hand side, and this is your left hand, so this one called left hand side. So I am taking left hand side. जो लेफ्ट हैंड की ओर होगा इक्वल पर फेस रखेंगे, राइट हैंड को राइट हैंड साइड खोलेंगे एंड लेफ्ट हैंड की साइड जो होगा उसको लेफ्ट हैंड साइड खोलेंगे. ओके, so left hand is A minus B. A minus B. So A equals to, you can do directly also without writing. A equals to 118. Here given minus again minus. Now value of B. B की जगह पे लिखेंगे 125. You can write here putting value of A and B also, or you can do directly like that also. Okay. 118 has it. Minus into minus. This one being plus. Minus bracket means multiply. Minus into minus plus. So plus here and 125. You are looking 125 is positive and 118 also positive. So This one positive. This one also positive. Same sign. Add 8. So we will add 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 8 plus 5. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 3 here. 2 plus 1, 3 and 4. And here 2. So this one coming 243. Okay. Same way we will check right hand side. This is your right hand side. Right hand side. What is right hand side? A plus B. जो right hand की side में होगा. You will stand like that. This is your right hand. So this is right hand side. This one your left hand. So this is left hand side. Now A plus B. A is 118 and plus B is 125. We will add both, this one positive, this one positive. So if you add 118 and 125, so you will get same answer. So that will be 243. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 2 plus 1, 3 and 4. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 added in 1, so 10 added in 10, so 100 place added in 100. So you are getting left hand side equals to right hand side. So this one verified. Okay, like that you will do second question. Now we will do third one. Third question. Okay, question number 3. A equals to 75 and B equals to 84. Okay, equation is A minus B. A minus within bracket minus B equals to A plus B. Okay, A is, now we will take left hand side. So what is your left hand side? This is your right hand, so this one right hand side. This is your left hand, so this one left hand side. A minus B. This one your left hand side. Left hand की ओर जो होगा वो left hand side है. You have to face toward your equation. Equal is your head, that's your right hand side. This one your left hand side. Okay. A equals to 75. So in place of A we will write 75 minus within bracket minus B. B की जगह क्या लिखना है? 84. Very simple. A की जगह आपको 75 लिख देना है and B की जगह 84 लिख देना है. 75 as it minus bracket minus. Bracket means multiply. Minus into minus. Minus into minus plus. तो यहाँ पे किसका साइन आ जाएगा? प्लस का साइन आ जाएगा. ओके, एंड हियर 84. ओके, this one positive, this one also positive. No sign, it means positive. So we will add again 75 and 84. Both are positive. So add it. Same integer. Add it. 4 plus 5, 9. And 7 plus 8, 7 plus 7, 14 plus 1, 15. So you will write like that. This is 159. That's your left hand side. Now we will check right hand side. Right hand side. Okay. So what in right hand side? A plus B. A plus B. So what is value of A? A क्या है? 75. 84. Add it. We will add this one positive, this one also positive. So we will do addition. 4 plus 5, 9, and this one 15. So 159. Okay, your left hand side also coming 159. So left hand side equals to right hand side. Both sides calculation coming same. So both are equal. That's why it is verified. अगर दोनों equal नहीं आएंगे तो it will not verify. Okay, both coming equal. That's why it is verified. Left hand side coming 159. Right hand side also coming 159. So we will write like that. Okay. Now we will do question number 4. This is your question number 3. Same way you will do question number 4. Question number 4 is A equals to 28. Here question number 4, A equals to 28. This is question number 8, part 4. And B equals to 11. B equals to 11. And your equation is A minus minus B. जहाँ पे आपको इक्वल साइन मिलेगा, that's called equation. Equal to A plus B. Okay. Now we will take left hand side. Which one your left hand side? Face toward equation. Raise your left hand. So this one your left hand side. A minus within bracket minus B. This one your left hand side. And this one your right hand side. Okay. So A is 28. A की जगह पे 28 लिख देना है. Minus minus here, so minus here. Bracket minus and B 11. B की जगह पे 11 लिख देना है. Okay. 28 minus bracket minus. Bracket means multiply. Minus into minus plus sign and here 11. Minus से माइनस को मल्टीप्लाई किया तो प्लस साइन मिला आपको. ओके. 28 plus 11. 28 and 11. Add it. Here plus sign, here plus sign. No sign, it means plus sign. So 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. So this is 39 plus 39. So no need to show plus sign. So we will write plus 39. Now come on right hand side. What is this? Is your right hand. So this one on right hand side. So A plus B. Okay. A plus B. A is 28. तो A की जगह क्या लिखेंगे? 28 plus plus and B है 11. So you will write 11. Okay. Then add. You will add both 28 and 11. You can do directly also. 8 plus 1, 9. 2 plus 1, 3. And you can add like that also. 8 plus 1, 9 and here 3. So, left hand side coming 39 and right hand side also coming 39. So, both are equal. Left hand side equals to right hand side. It means both sides coming equal. So, that's verified. Okay. So, like that, you will solve this question. Same way we will do next question. Today you have to do this question. Any doubt? So you can ask. Have a nice day and do this work in your fair copy.